Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by clarifying the exact product, text, image, or multimodal, and the acceptance criteria you will use to measure success. Once done, pick a viable model family and hosting approach that matches latency and budget. Make sure to inventory available data, create a minimal labeled set, and set up a data pipeline for collection and validation. Begin a lightweight experiment that trains or fine-tunes on a small subset, so you can iterate quickly and avoid wasted compute. You proceed by building a reproducible training and evaluation pipeline. Automate data versioning, checkpoints, and metric logging so experiments behave predictably. Then iterate, tune hyperparameters, apply regularization, and experiment with model scaling versus dataset size. Make sure to optimize inference with batching, quantization, or distillation to meet production constraints. Once stable, run thorough evaluations. Include adversarial and edge case tests, and instrument continuous monitoring, so you spot regressions early and can roll back safely. You finish by packaging the model and releasing through a staged deployment. Canary, then gradual rollout, while tracking latency, error rates, and user metrics. Make sure to add safety checks and clear rollback procedures, and automate alerting tied to thresholds so incidents trigger fast responses. If problems arise, check logs, reproduce the failure locally, compare model versions and data drift, and use your rollback plan. Often the quickest fix is restoring the previous stable model while you diagnose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.